Over the last decade, the NASDAQ-100 index has had an average annualized return of 19.86% compared to an average return of 14.64% from the S&P 500 index. It also beat the S&P 500 during shorter time horizons, but by a much wider margin in recent years. Over the last 3 years, for example, the NASDAQ-100 index has had an average annualized return of 32.44% compared to 22.68% from the S&P 500 index. Just remember that past results do not guarantee future outcomes, but over the last decade, betting on the NASDAQ-100 has been a lot more rewarding than simply betting on the S&P 500. And if you think about why this is, it actually makes a lot of sense. Artificial intelligence has become the center focus of our economy, and this index has mega exposure to these big tech companies leading the charge. But I think the best way to understand it is going to be seeing it in action. FinViz offers a heat map of the NASDAQ-100, which shows you how much weight each individual company carries in the index. So the larger the square is, the bigger the company is in terms of market value, and the more influence it has on the overall index. As you can see, the big names here like Nvidia, Microsoft, Apple, Google, and Amazon absolutely dominate the index.